a spice made from the seeds of the cyminum plant, is known for its health benefits. Here are some of them. 1. Helps control blood sugar. Cumin was used as a part of an herbal drug trial for diabetes. The drug successfully helped people with diabetes to manage their condition. 2. Has anticancer properties. Cumin appears to have the ability to keep cancer cells from multiplying. 3. Promotes digestion. Cumin aids digestion by increasing the activity of digestive proteins. It may also reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. 4. Rich source of iron. Cumin seeds are naturally rich in iron. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin contains 1.4 milligrams of iron, or 17.5% of the RDI for adults. 5. Fights bacteria and parasites. The oil extracted from cumin seeds has been used as an effective larvicide and antiseptic agent. 7. Has an anti-inflammatory effect.